Hi, my name's Jake and I have apparently no issues with being in my pyjamas right now. Today I'm going to be drawing this, or painting this. It's a little bit different, a little bit more adventurous. I might mess it up, it might be a disaster. Let's find out. So as per usual, I'm going to start by inking, and today I'm going to be using this brush. If I can get it to focus. This brush will allow me to cover some of the larger areas and allow me to do some of the line work. It's a bit more finicky, it'd be a bit easier than using my nib pen that I normally use, or trying to fiddle around with a technical pen. So I just thought I'd decide to use a brush today, which is unusual for me. So, without further ado. So I've just finished quite a large patch of black hair on this lady, so I just wanted to address a couple of things because my friend Zoe, she actually said something that makes a lot of sense to me the other day, and I just thought I'd talk about it a little bit because it can be a bit intimidating when you're looking at these videos or watching other artists on YouTube with all these speed arts and stuff, because they've had to speed up because these videos could be going on for hours. So I just wanted to let you know, and I'm going to put in a few clips of me just showing you how slowly I actually go, because I actually go super slow. Zoe said that I look so confident when I just do these big patches of black, or if I just like decide to put in a new colour. Like, how do you know what to do? Well, part of that is experience. Like, I have been doing this a hell of a lot over the last few years, like just painting a lot. So I just kind of do whatever, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and if it works, it works. It's like I'll know for next time. There's no loss on that one. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure that people weren't thinking that I was going super fast and just knew how to do it and I was just some expert. I'm still learning, as every artist will tell you, they're still learning. We'll just wait for this to dry now, and then I'm gonna get started on inking that fish, I think. So we're all done. I have finished that painting now. It did take me a little while because it was a little bit different for me and I wasn't really sure what I was doing. I hope you enjoyed the video. I definitely put a little bit more time into the editing of this one. I hope you can notice in some way. This is the finished piece. It doesn't look too bad on camera actually. Normally it looks a bit odd other than in real life, but yeah, this is the finished piece. You can see some of the highlights. Have I shown you my cactus? Look.